This is NickRants, where nothing said is personal and laughter is guaranteed. Don't be a and enjoy the video. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey, what you saying, guys? And welcome to NickRants. Hey, 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 hey. What's up? Hey guys, and welcome back to NickRants. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to shower with a perm. Merry Christmas to my wonderful subscriber who recommended this, and they'll be right here. And Merry Christmas to all of you. Happy New Year, happy all of that. I'm going to make it quick and simple. It's going to be a great video. Stay along. So, after the 2 days that you waited, it is now your time to shower. The two products I'm going to be using in the shower today, also body wash, obviously. I'm going to be using whole blends today. And the thing about whole blends is actually this comes with a cream. So if you guys are like more lazy or don't want to do the full process, if you get these, just put the shampoo in, put the conditioner in, then you're done. Splendid. Great. Amazing. But if you want to do the full way to get the best curls you possibly can, you're going to use these two and the creams or Marc Antony Instantly Thick. Any of those. Perfect. And don't forget your body wash. Don't be stinky. So step one, turn on the water. Make sure it's hot because cold water sucks. It's shit hot. Burning in there. My body burning. So hopefully your shower head is better than mine, but you are going to rinse your hair. Step one complete. And no, don't turn off your shower. I'm just doing that so you guys can hear me better. So after this, once you rinse it, you want to start doing some scrunches. So get a little bit of the excess hair out, and you're going to go to the shampoo. Like I said, today we're using whole blends, but a lot of shampoos work. Especially thickening shampoos will help you out the most. So you're going to put about this much in your hands, depends on your hair length, and then you're going to go scrubbing your hands a bit, and you're going to move your hands in circular motions. All right, you're going to make sure it gets everywhere in there. And from there, you're also going to scrunch. So you're going to grab your hand, and you're going to scrunch it. Like you're scrunching it. You know what I was saying. But I gotta be 18 and under for YouTube. So you're gonna scrunch that up. Make sure that it's nice. You see them? You see those curls? Ooh! Beautiful. And I want to remind you guys that this is about 6 months into my perm. So if you're wondering what it's gonna look like about 6 months later, it's probably what it's gonna be. Looks wonderful. I could have taken care of it way better than I actually did, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna get the coils I want, but that's fine. So from here, you're gonna rinse your hair. If you are using the method where you're gonna use the conditioner and leave the conditioner in, then you want this to be cold water. If not, you can still use hot and it's gonna work well. And then you're gonna rinse with cold water when you use the conditioner. So nothing special when you're rinsing it out. You just put it down and you scrunch. You scrunch it nice. And again, don't turn off your shower. But from here, you're going to grab your wonderful conditioner. Your conditioner is going to do wonders. You need to condition every time. If you're wondering how many times you should shampoo or condition a week, shampoo, do it about 3 to 4, maybe 5, you're pushing it. And then with conditioner, you're gonna do every day or at least every time you shower. Because if you shower without conditioner, your hair's gonna be so frizzy when it dries. So use conditioner. You need it. My conditioner is broken, so unfortunately I gotta use it this way. So roughly, again, depending on your hair amount, you want this much. You just want it all to be even. Like, what the f***? My light went out, man. Technical difficulties, guys. Now you're going to scrunch this in. You're going to do the same thing. Make sure it's everywhere through your hair, and you're going to scrunch. Everywhere through your hair, and you're going to scrunch. So let's cut our hands into 2 motions.
Can you went out again?
Yeah, technical difficulties. You are going to scrunch your hair. Leave it in for 5 minutes, no shorter. You can be longer, doesn't really matter. And again, if you are just using this and not gonna put in creams, just leave it like this, you're good, you're done the shower. After, you make sure you're not stinky, right? But after that, you're done the shower. You are perfectly fine. But if not, after 5 minutes, you're gonna rinse with cold water. Very important, make sure it's cold water. If it's not cold water, you're not gonna really mess it up, but like cold water is so much better, locks in your moisture, locks in everything. Trust me, do the cold water. And throughout, just scrunch that hair. Like I said before, cold water. Ah! Fuck the cold. Ooh! My scalp is ice. All right, you guys are gonna make sure it's all out of your hair. You can do a little bit of a, don't know what I call this technique, but you grab your fingers, you put them in, you squish them together, and you and scrunch it up, guys. All right, now to dry your hair, what are you gonna use? You gonna use a towel? Hell no! You're gonna use a t-shirt. The reason why you're gonna use a t-shirt is gonna lock in your moisture a lot easier. Towels are very draining. Use that for your body, very good. But a t-shirt is definitely better for your hair, especially your perm. And you're gonna grab it in the same scrunching motion we've been using this entire time. Scrunch. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. What you'll realize is you have a lot more moisture this way. It locks in your curls, and trust me, they're gonna look nice. So from here, we're gonna move on to the creams. Your shower is complete. Wasn't as hard as you thought. Trust me, it's pretty simple. All right, guys, now when you're off your shower, you're gonna move on to the creams. So, the one I recommend is Shea Moisture, also Marc Antony, very good. Any coconut cream is going to be great. So you're gonna open up your coconut cream. I recommend waiting about 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes after your shower. Just so that your hair is damp, not soaking wet, it's not dripping at all, but it's still wet. And this is the bottle. Looks beautiful. So you're gonna take about this much cream. So you're gonna take that and you're gonna scrunch your hair. You're gonna do our classic scrunching that we've been doing. And you wanna make sure that it's even. That is your goal here, that it's even everywhere. So after you let it dry a little bit more, it's gonna turn more like this. This is where you'd like to do the Afro comb technique. If you wanna know how to do that, just click on this link right here and it will show you. Get an Afro comb, great technique I created, and it works great if you want the poofy curls. If you don't want the poofy curls, you want the hard curls, and you want a more, what's the word? Like wormy, spirally, also defined curls. If you want that, leave it how it is. Don't touch it. And you'll get it. Maybe put some hairspray on it to hold it and you'll be good. If you want it medium, I want you to do the scrunching. So the scrunching will do this and it'll still make it a little curly, not very poofy, and it'll have the best of both worlds. If you want a really poofy, nice coils, then you want to follow the Afro comb technique. I'm just gonna scrunch for now and see how that looks. I also want to do some, grab your hands like this, like we were doing in the shower, and you move in circular motions. And you're gonna do that all the way till it's fully dry, until you're satisfied, and from there, it's gonna look beautiful. So that's all I got today, guys. Sorry if the quality kind of jumped. There was a lot of technical difficulties. I had mics falling and wouldn't stick. I had lights dying and turning off. It was just not the greatest process, but I did it for you guys, and I hope it turned out good enough. Love you all. Hope you subscribe. See you later.